The Leafs and the Canes. Matthews and Aho. Tavares and Stahl. When these two teams take the ice, anything can happen. And 2 years ago, it did.
David Ayres, 42 years old, now thrust under the bright lights of the NHL.
Ayres said no! David Ayres comes up big. Keep the puck, David. You've just got a National Hockey League victory.
We watch for the makes.
A blast from the Rocket Richard Trophy winner.
The misses.
What a save!
And the moments.
Holy mackerel! The kid's won it! He scores! Hat trick, Andrei Svechnikov!
Because you never know when a game can become something more.
Welcome to ESPN Hockey Night presented by Expedia.